All right, guys. David and Marisa here to go over Thursday's workout. Tomorrow, actually, Steve and Sonia will be putting on the class, so we're looking forward to that. We're trying to get the other coaches more involved as we continue this vacation or Corona period. Tomorrow, we are going to start with warm-up, as always. We're actually going to start by getting on the floor for some bird dogs. My lovely assistant here is going to demonstrate some of those. We're going to get down on all fours, and then we'll go opposite arm and opposite leg. We're actually going to go nice and slow on these guys. And we're going to go 10, okay? So we're going to go 10 actually on each side here. We're going to go 2 rounds. So we'll just say this is her 10th one on both sides. Go ahead and come on up. From there, guys, we're actually going to do 12 air squats. Again, here we want to move slow and deliberately as to get a good stretch. Don't mind the tractor we have going on in the background here.
Just my
the
dad
important thing is the air squats, guys. We'll do 2 rounds of that, so 10 bird dogs and 12 air squats. After that, guys, we're going to get into 2 more rounds of 20 jumping jacks. We'll have Marisa do 3 or 4 here. We'll do 20 jumping jacks, and finally, guys, we're going to do 30 seconds on each side of the world's greatest stretch. As you guys know, this will be a lizard pose. She'll get down into there, and when she's ready, she's going to turn and reach for the sky there. We're going to try and hold that for 30 seconds, then we'll switch on over to the other side. All right, she'll demo both sides there, so perfect. From there, guys, tomorrow, we have 2 different options. We have a white to orange option and then a blue to brown option, which is going to be a little bit tougher version of the workout. And tomorrow, no matter what, everybody's going to be moving for 17 straight minutes. Okay, so tomorrow is a 17-minute AMRAP. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different movements that we'll be doing tomorrow, regardless of what level we're at. The first one is going to be some tough rows, okay? And actually at the highest level here is actually a pull-up. So if you have a pull-up bar, you might do 5 pull-ups. Otherwise, we didn't even write it down, guys. Most of us don't have a pull-up bar, including ourselves. So we'll be doing 5 tough rows on each side. Or Marisa has a dumbbell that she's actually going to use for both arms at the same time. That'll work fine as well. If you want, you could also do 5 on one side and then go 5 on the other, depending on the weight we have. After that, guys, we're going to go 8 to 10 goblet or front squats. Good. From there, she's going to keep the weight nice and tight and do an air squat. She'll demo one from this side as well. And there you go. So we'll do 8 to 10 front squats there, guys. After that, pretty easy. We got 15 to 20 jumping jacks. No. 15 to 20 jumping jacks. You know, it might seem like an elementary exercise, guys, but add this in and it's going to keep that heart rate going and keep us getting that aerobic exercise, right? So that's what we're looking for here. From there, guys, one of Marisa's personal favorites, we have mountain climbers, okay? So we're going to get down on all fours. From here, we're just going to alternate those legs and bring them in as if we're climbing up a mountain, guys. So that'll be a lot of core. We're going to go 20 to 30 mountain climbers, depending on what you can handle. And finally, guys, we'll have a 200-meter run. Marisa, we're going to follow Marisa. No, I'm just fine. We're going to run for 200 meters, guys. If you don't have easy access to a 200, you can also get the jump rope out, and you can do 25 to 250 single unders, okay? This is a 17-minute AMRAP. As many rounds as possible. So as soon as we finish with that last one, we're just going to pop back up to the top and get back into those tough rows, okay? Now we'll go over the tougher version here. So you'll see for blue to brown, it'll be 5 tough rows. Same thing, guys, you just might be using a heavier weight. After that, we have 10 goblet squats, 20 jumping jacks, 30 mountain climbers, and finally a 200-meter run, guys, or 50 double unders, okay? So if the upper level will require or does ask for double unders, if you have them, should be working on them anyway. Work on those weaknesses. Again, guys, blue to brown will also be working out for 17 minutes. After that, we have a little bit of mobility for you. We do have the lizard pose. Marisa's gonna get back down, just like the world's greatest stretch, right, without the reach. We're gonna go from there to the half split, from there to the pigeon. So these 3 of our favorites on each side. We want 30 seconds to a minute on each, guys, but there's no time limit. You can hold this for as long as you want. 90 seconds, 2 minutes will be just fine as well. After that, Marisa's gonna lay down flat on her stomach. She's going to thread the needle here. So she'll bring one arm all the way through. Again, 30 seconds to a minute, guys. And then finally, we'll do the twisted cross, where she'll put that arm all the way out and rotate all the way over. Again, guys, looking forward to Steve and Sonia putting on tomorrow's class. Big round of applause for my assistant here, and we will see you tomorrow.